Paid time off, or PTO, gives people time to relax and recharge, leading to a more enjoyable and productive work environment for everyone. In these unprecedented times, however, taking time off may not seem like a priority, or it may even feel like a huge ask. Since our offices are now in our homes and kids are being homeschooled, leaving work behind is more challenging than ever. In fact, 1 in 5 Americans feel their company shames employees who take allotted vacation time. So, what can managers do to support their teams in taking PTO? Lead by example. Leadership can encourage employees to be intentional about their self-care while working remotely and take time off to unplug and recharge. Whether it's to work on a home project, read a book, or go for a long walk, even small breaks from work can make a significant difference on your energy and stress levels.
Here at BizCorp Co., we're firm believers in the importance of taking PTO, especially during these stressful times. It's important to recognize the need to take a break from work, even if it's just for a day. Our PTO policy is in place for this very reason. Personally, I'm going to take 2 days off next week to unplug and recharge. Even though we're unable to take a regular vacation right now, I plan to sleep in, exercise, and read during my time off, if my kids let me. Work with your managers to get your PTO scheduled, and don't forget to plan for the remainder of the year. Your managers will be setting up one-on-ones to review your PTO schedule soon.
You've been working so hard lately. You deserve some time off. I noticed you haven't used any PTO this year. I want to make sure you feel comfortable taking time off and know how to request it.
Your organization has a PTO policy for a reason. Positive reinforcement is the key to letting people know they can use their PTO. As a manager, take note of employees who don't take time off and let them know it's okay to do so. Let's allow vacation days to serve their purpose, to refresh employees and provide a space to get away from the stress of day-to-day work. Let your teams know it's more important now than ever before to rest and recover.